What's happening? Crypto fam, welcome back to Love for Crypto. I'm Scott. Whether you're watching on IGTV, Facebook or YouTube, it is a pleasure to have you here. Thank you for watching. So, happy Wednesday. It's Wednesday morning. I hope you're as happy this morning as you are on Saturday mornings. It's definitely Wednesday, 17th, running up to Easter weekend. Ripple taking over the fucking world. Woo! Controlling the ledger. The world's largest financial firms embrace blockchain. So, this is on Forbes. Ripple themselves tweeted it. Finally, a decent article on Forbes mentioning Ripple. Ask nearly any leading bank. This is interesting because at the end they've got all quotes off the bankers, and at the beginning they say try and ask the bankers about blockchain and you'll just be silence. But then at the end they quote a load of bankers. So clearly they've said something, but off the record, you know what I mean? Anyway, ask nearly any leading banker or financial executive to go on the record about blockchain and you are liable to hear crickets. Likely to hear crickets. So what you fucking writing out, man? Jesus wept. After all, it's an industry built on trust and stability. Crypto's recent legacy of volatility and even fraud has taken the topic. No shit. It's ironic because behind the scenes, few industries are eagerly working on blockchain projects as feverishly as financial services firms are. Bank of America, for example, has filed nearly 60 blockchain patents, yet it refused to speak to Forbes about its dive into distributed ledger tech. JP Morgan's CEO, Diamond, famously threatened to fire any employees caught trading Bitcoin, and today's developing their own digital token. The world's largest, most centralized and most powerful institutions are now embracing the technology designed to unseat them because they realize that at its core, blockchain is just lines of code that simplify accounting and record keeping, and for hundreds of years bankers have exhibited mastery in ledger keeping, and they have no intention of giving it up. They ain't gonna give it up. They're gonna control it. ILP. Our inaugural blockchain 50 list is dominated by financial firms from BNP Paribas, yeah. I saw BNP Paribas, mate. Paribas, Citigroup, Nasdaq to MasterCard, Visa, the biggest names in global money are making strides in blockchain testing and adoption. They're using the technology to speed up settlement times and interbank payments, simplify processes that will rely on paper and fax machines, or that still rely on paper and fax machines, sorry. And improve security measures with the goal of both saving time and money and now creating new ways to make profit in the future. Fidelity, which now has 100 employees devoted to digital assets, has launched a digital asset custody service for institutional investors and is already building a trading platform for purchasing crypto. PNC Bank is using Ripple's blockchain software to process international payments. Santander already collecting revenue from OnePayFX, a blockchain-based foreign exchange service that is also built on Ripple technology. Dutch banking giant IG's dedicated blockchain team that has launched 8 pilots since 2016 and alongside Credit Suisse completed the first legally enforceable security swap on a blockchain last year. Even banks that didn't make our list, like the Royal Bank of Canada, the Bank of America, are testing the waters. RBC has conducted 8 live pilots. Bank of America have filed the most blockchain patents of any other company in the industry. Notably, these are early first forays into the blockchain space have fostered something unexpected amongst these major competitors. Collaboration, especially through industry efforts like Hyperledger. What? Nice. The Enterprise Ethereum Alliance. Right, so basically Forbes have actually started talking about Ripple and Ripple Tech now. So we go back to Twitter. Hashtag runs on Ripple. It's not just about technology, the power is in the network. As you see more and more players, you will see broad economic benefits. The power is not just in a network. Networks are enclosed, closed-walled gardens. What's the beauty of XRPL, ILP, interoperability and interledger? They're creating a network of networks, like the internet of data, but internet of value. That is where the true value lies. That is what the Internet of Things will be built on top of. And I know people can turn around and say, well, the Internet of Things has already been built. You've got devices talking to each other. When we say the Internet of Things being built on the Internet of Value, we mean the Internet of Things paying for things. We mean things paying for things. That's when the Internet of Things truly takes off. Not because my fucking watch can talk to my phone, or my watch shows me text messages. When every device can make payments, that's when the Internet of Things takes off. What's very interesting is if we go to Ripple Insights. Go to Ripple Insights. Our blockchain will help banks tap into new markets in the MENA region. That is Middle East and North Africa. But I wanted to just briefly run over Samsung. Where's it gone? What do you mean? What do you mean? Give me all store. Well, it appears the Samsung store is gone. Samsung fucking... What the fuck? Don't ruin my video here, you bastards. Samsung SDS. Oh my god. Where's that gone? And Hyperledger Sawtooth. So Hyperledger Sawtooth as they've brought in the new fucking language. I can't remember what the language was, but there's not having it on my phone. Apologies for that, people. It's made me look at that. It's legitimately just ruined the end of the fucking video, basically. So expect another video soon, guys, because I'm not having that. I will go home and I'll get it back up. It's from like, it wasn't even from that long ago, from a few days ago, but it was going on about Samsung using Hyperledger Fabric and Ethereum. It was going on about the coding they was going to use. Fucking hell, what is it? Blockchain language, MLM. Fuck knows. I can't remember. So what I'm going to do for you is, I'm going to do another video on it. I'm going to cover it again very soon, very shortly. The Samsung news. And I'll float into something else. Because Ripple's taking over. It fucking runs on Ripple. Runs on Ripple. Everything is going to fucking run on Ripple in the end. Everything that taps into ILP will be tapping into fucking Ripple. Because ILP is Ripple tech. So we can't be forgetting, guys. I don't want to be forgetting that the Interledger protocol was originally the Ripple protocol. So don't forget that. I'm gonna bring you a Samsung SDS video very, very soon. So stay tuned for that. He's basically talking about how it's going to use Hyperledger and how it's going to use Ethereum and it can use EOS and it can use all this, but typical fucking store there leaves out XRP when clearly if they did Hyperledger Fabric, we all know that's tapping into Hyperledger Quilt that taps into ILP. So still got its links to XRP as and when it needs it. We know XLM will be there, we know EOS will be there, they'll all be there. Buy them all if you think you need them all, guys, but I feel comfortable owning majority XRP, me. Accumulate and wait is all I'm saying do. Go and see Torre or Indy Keeler or someone like that, Kyle Trades, you want to start fucking trading and learning some fucking tips. Other than that, accumulate and wait. Live long and huddle. We love crypto. We love you. And we love XRP. Fuck yeah. Waiting for Kyle Cinnamon. Video on that soon. Peace out, guys. Enjoy the rest of your week.